Hello friends, we will learn in this short and quick video how to fix blurry text on Windows 10. So to fix this blurry text problem, first thing you have to do, click on this search icon. Now type clear type. Now click on adjust clear type text and open it. Now check this box, turn on clear type. Make the text on your screen easier to read. Clear type makes the text you see on the screen sharper, cleaner, and easier to read. Click on next. Now your display monitor is set to its native resolution. Click on next. Click the text sample that looks best to you. You have 5 samples. Select which is the best for you, like this one. Now in this all samples, select which is best for you, like this one. This one, and it's depending on your choice and your requirement. Now this last one. Then click on next. You have finished turning the text on your monitor. Now click on finish and restart your PC. Hopefully guys you like this video, and by this super easy method we can fix and resolve this blurry text problem on Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.